One of the most commonly asked questions is vision board and does it use the law of attraction and how does it work? Well, I have three different points that I'm going to cover for you that will help you understand how the law of attraction and the vision board works together hand in hand. So the very first point that I have for you is when you are trying to create a vision board, you should set an intention for things that you want to attract into your life because you should not add things onto a vision board willy-nilly. Make sure to add things that you want really deep down. This is exactly what I want in my life right now, and whatever your mind can think of, whatever your heart desires, whatever you want to go after, add those things onto your vision board. Because when you're trying to set an intention, this is exactly what I want. You will be able to go and look for those things specifically because you will be able to filter from uh, um, the other things that are already available online. So I mostly tell people to create a vision board that is digital because it's easy to create and doesn't require a lot of hours that you need to put into when trying to create a as compared to trying to create a DIY vision board where you actually go and cut out pictures and use glue and other things to complete a vision board. So that is the very first point. Do when trying to create a vision board, make sure that you always set your intentions right. Then go look for those things that you want to add to your vision board. And the second point that I have for you is when you try to complete your vision board, you are letting the universe know that this is exactly what I want. Okay, when you complete your vision board, this is exactly what you want is what you're trying to communicate to the universe. So once you communicate to the universe or God even understands that this is exactly what I want, what this person wants. So this is how I'm going to let this person get it. But you do your part, let God or the universe do his part. So don't try to don't try to question that, don't try to disbelieve that because the person who disbelieves, even the universe of God will grant him exactly what he or she is asking for. So be very careful on the things that you ask for, whether it's in faith or in belief or in not in faith and not in belief. So you get exactly what you ask for. So be very careful of that. And the third point that I have for you is the law of attraction. How it works is you will exactly attract when you don't think so much about it. That's exactly what I'm trying to say. Um, so when first the law of attraction came to was being popularized on the media, most people thought, oh, I just need to wish for it and it will things will happen. But the thing is, once you need to be very clear on what exactly you want, and you need to set out an intention for those things, and you need to what do I mean by that? You need to create uh, either assemble a visual representation of those things that you want. People either write them down in words format or they use visual representation to help them manifest those things because having them visually kind of creates an emotion when you look at it. It speaks something to you. A picture is worth 1,000 words. So instead of writing them down, you actually have a picture in front of you. Or sometimes people take it to another level where a video is worth 10,000 words. So taking a look at a video that actually speaks to you, that demonstrates the kind of life that you want, things that you want to achieve, things that you desire, those kind of things actually speaks to you. So having those things clear right from the get-go is important because you will start attracting those things in your life when you set it right, set the intention clear, and you let God or the universe do whatever he or God needs to do, and you forget about it. Once you set that up, put the things onto your vision board, you let it go. Don't try to force it, don't try to rush it, don't try to ruin it. So set it about right, and as you keep going and working towards that, as you keep taking steps towards that, God will also more steps bring opportunities towards you, or even bring out other possibilities that can make you take that path and actually achieve those things faster than that. So learn to trust the universe, learn to trust God, learn to trust how the law of attraction works. You are basically trying to be a person who's trying to attract those things into life. Because if you can try to go and chase after it, it will keep running away from you. It's exactly like how a guy tries to catch a rabbit and the rabbit keeps running away. So if you try to catch a rabbit, you will know what exactly. You might have heard the concept of trying to catch two rabbits at the same time. So and the person catches none. So that's exactly when you're trying to chase after it or run after it, you are not attracting it. it's the opposite. So, and you're attracting, you're being the person who's setting the intention, and you're emitting those kind of things that you want, and the right things keep coming towards you. Most people who have achieved a lot in their life, they've actually set out a clear vision for what they want. They've created a vision board. They've added pictures, quotes, and sayings that actually represent the things that they want in their life. And once they make the moves or put an effort to go after the things that they want as per their plan, they start attacking those things faster into their life. That's how the vision board works, and that's how the law of attraction enables you to achieve the things that you have added onto your vision board. And if you are really struggling to come up with the vision board or create a vision board that is going to help you manifest the life of your dreams and give you the experiences that you desire, I have created a Vision Board Mini-Course. You'll be able to find them in the links in the description below. It's really affordable for you right now, and for the first 5 people, use the coupon code FIRST500, and you'll get massive discount. And I've covered in 7 different modules, and I'm going to show you how to create a dynamic vision board that addresses 5 different areas of your life. And I'm going to give you 5 different bonuses plus additional things that will help you manifest those things into your life faster than ever before. So just going through this process itself is going to bring about change in your life. But if you're on the other side not even taking action, nothing is going to happen, because faith without action is dead. So you will not be able to reap the rewards of your labor if you do not plant anything. You did not take the first step. So learn how to trust the process. Go through the course. You'll be able to actually come up with a vision board, because once you create a vision board and you start believing in the process, most people initially when they hear of the concept of vision board, they think it's something really spiritual shit, and it is not good. But once you understand how all these successful people have manifested those things that they want in their life, and they all trace back to the vision board, they actually everyone starts believing it, and vision board actually is like a attraction magnet thing. So once you set your intentions clear on what exactly you want, you will be able to attract those things into life. Setting the intention right, and trying to not force the process, and just completing that itself is the first step that will help you attract those things into life. If you like this video, I want you to comment below. This is the question that I have for you today. Why do you think the law of attraction will help you, and why do you think it will not help you? Do you believe that things will work out for you, or do you not believe that things will not work out for you? Because if you let your answers, if you write down your answers in the comment below, I'll be able to help you out understand what exactly you're struggling with, because everything comes from belief. If you watch my previous videos on vision board, I talk about thoughts creating your beliefs helping you take action, action helping you get results. And once you follow that chain of thought, you will be able to see how things work in the law of attraction, and how the universe conspires to help you. It doesn't tries to take things away from you. Everything is working for your favor. So I want you to like this video so that thousands of other people can actually benefit from watching this video, achieve their goals, dreams, and desires. And so please subscribe to this channel, because it will help me grow my channel, help me reach a lot of people, and help them in their lives and transform their lives. So have a great day.